Morning everybody, and welcome to today's Sunday Q&A, which today is brought to you from Fusion Utilities in Chesterfield at 8 o'clock in the morning, where I'm sitting here with 10 pallets. Goods in opens at 8, which seems to be the time they go on break. Figure that one out. There was a fork truck driver around here a little while ago, maybe 8:30 they go on break, maybe they're open earlier. It doesn't matter, wherever I get, they seem to go on break. But hey, I'm sitting here, so we thought we may as well do this. Right, quickly, fuel watch light. This week you should have been looking at 134.5. Any more than that, around about that kind of money, that seems to be what there's all coming in at. It looks like it's scheduled to go up again next week after 13 days of bombardment in the Middle East. Yeah, so there we go. I will do the full fuel watch at the end, the boring bit for those of you that want to know like what I'm getting and where and what White Van Man's getting. But in the meantime, last week's mistakes. Last week I said it never varies much, does it? It only goes up by like 2-3 pence. It went up by nearly 10p. You got to factor it in. You've got to work out when you're doing the jobs, do you want to do a distance job? There's going to be a lot more fuel on it. But having said that, if it's motorway miles, not always so much. Do you want to try and put a little bit extra on? Because otherwise, all that's happening is you think you're making money, and then you get the fuel bill into the invoice comes in 2 weeks' time, and it's like, all right, all that money that I had, I'm just giving over to the fuel companies, and that's not the idea, is it? So the big video this week was the app has got a new feature. Which I personally am very, very pleased with. I always said all the way along, we had like the normal app, and then I had Small Fleet. And the thing that I loved about Small Fleet was I could actually start putting in locations and getting, so rather than just sort of, you can do foot towards journeys and forward journeys and return journeys. And for me, it never really worked very well. But for this one in particular, I can see where I'm coming back from. So if I get a job on like Monday that's going up to Birmingham, the first thing I'll do after getting that job is start looking for jobs coming out of Birmingham round about the afternoon time. But the problem would be, and then I go, I've just got to check if this invoice is coming in. I just want to see what's coming out locally. And, oh, there's the forks. We could be in business. And then you go back to it and you had to type in all the information again. Where's he going? It's a good game, this. So far, he's tipped the van in front of me, the lorry behind me, and now I think he's about to tip the lorry behind the lorry behind me. But hey, I'm talking to you. So that's fine, isn't it? Yeah, he's got 6 pallets behind me. I'm not in a rush. It's okay. I've got an easy day today. I'm going to pick this one up, and then I've got to collect one in Derby. It's got to go to Luton on Monday morning because it's the kid's birthday on Sunday, so I've got to go back and get everything ready. Anyhow, where was we? Yeah, so then you go to... You go to have a look, see, I'll just check out my invoices. I'll just check to see what's coming out locally. Then you go back to it and you have to retype all the information in again. It didn't take long. 5 seconds. Retype that one in. You change it down to 7.5 tonne. Change that one down tomorrow. Change it. Birmingham was already there, but it was still painful. And now we've got the one that says, make these my default options, which means you just scroll to the bottom and press search, and it's lovely. So Lee says... He says, I also use the search function. My only problem is you can't delete the jobs. This is something else. You're out there listening to the CX, this is something else. If you're on the normal one on the Lowe's dashboard and it says like Hounslow, haven't got DVS, can't go there. Let's go to Lincoln, don't want to go there. And you can side swipe left and it deletes the jobs, which just leaves you with the jobs that you're interested in. When you do it on the search function at the beginning, you can't do that. So if there's a way that when we get on search from, you can delete the jobs, that would be very nice. Thank you very much. He also says, because I said it would be really nice to have a bit where you can go on a Friday, search for jobs on Monday, but it'll only search today, tomorrow, next 10 days and any time. But what you can do, and he's made a point, is you can go to the dates. So what you can do is like today is the 24th. I can put in 27th. Jobs from the 27th to the 27th. And now I can make it my default search function. I don't have to do all that again because that was kind of tedious. Still would be nice to have a search for jobs on Monday, but good job working out there. So we haven't got a lot on today, by the way. It's still going to be a short Q&A, this one. Miscellaneous Jack, who says, he says, Hi mates, greetings from Poland on my holidays. It's cold here and 19 degrees and raining. Just out of interest, how many people out there are now craving the rain? My my lawn has just basically gone yellow, as it does, like, you know. I remember there was a guy who told me, so I'm up in Scotland, I've got a jumper on, it's great. It hasn't rained for so long. I don't miss it. I've got to be honest, I thought I would. I don't mind the rain. I don't mind any of it, I just hate the grey. But I don't miss it. I'm quite enjoying the sunshine. It's not too bad. It's not super hot. It's much easier to get up in the sunshine and go home in the sunshine when it's light and it's not warm. It's pleasant, like, you know. But there'll be a few of us out there. But trust me, be careful what you wish for. It'll be with you before you know it. Where's he going now? He's going to me? Nope, still going to go behind me. All right, well, I'll have a word with him in a minute. And we have one from GRM Logistics. GRM Logistics says, I've ordered 2 cards, Drew, at Express Fuels, a Shell and a UK fuel card. I told Drew I watched you on the YouTube. That's very kind of you. Thank you very much. I'm not affiliated with him. I get on well with Drew. He's a guy, I just know him because he's seen the channels. If you're asking for a card from Express Fuels, and if you're watching this GRM Logistics, the one you want is the Prime card. I've got it in front of me. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're all pretty good, but this is the one, the Prime UK Fuels card, that one there. Because if you get that and you go to the right bunker stations, that's the one that gives you the best price. So when I do my pricing, if you go, and it gets confusing, it's like, well, what if I fill up in this station? What if I fill up there? I don't know. You know, you see the bill. Hopefully, when you see the bill, it's not too far off what you thought it was going to be. And I do one. Did anyone ever check their bills? I don't know if I've done this one yet. It hasn't come out yet. Has anyone ever checked their bills? Yeah, we'll have a look at that. Anyway, in the meantime, that's kind of it. Like I say, we'll do the the full fuel watch this week is UK Fuels 134.24, Motia 134.43. Express Fuels didn't do so great this week, 134.65, but there was only 0.4p out, so it's not mega deal. And Watson's still up in the stratosphere at 136.27. White Van Man's got Watson's at 134.87. Why them, not me, don't know. Silvery Fuels at 135.48, and Tate UK Fuels at 136.07. So like I say, this week should have been round about the 134.5 mark. And finally, in conclusion this week, David Healy says, he said, never had a go. The CX made me a millionaire. I was a multi-millionaire before I joined and I lost half my money. Bang. Not for everybody. There you go. Right, okay, well, I'm going to cut this short. I say to cut this short. There wasn't a lot on there this week. So enjoy the sunshine. You know, be careful what you wish for. It'll be winter soon. I'm going to sign this off. I'm going to have a chat with that fork truck driver and try to work out why he's tipping everybody else but me. And then on to Derby and then home. Ready for next week. Taking care and taking money.